I'm joined now by Joseph Haynes Davis, who is a criminal lawyer from Orlando in Florida. Thanks so much for joining us on the program. Ooh, Joseph, why are these incidents still happening in America in 2020?
Well, I think it comes from just the history that we know of Black Americans here in America, having come to America as chattel, as part of the chattel slavery trade. With that being said, I think we see more because of the advancements of technology now with cell phones and so forth, and what I call the citizen journalist taking those pictures, taking those videos, and allowing for those videos to be the basis of showing the rogue behavior in the instances of rogue behavior when the police and the police state are out of control. So we see more of that now because of the advancement of technology. But for the advancement of technology in the instant matter, that being the matter in Minneapolis, Minnesota, you may not have even seen and known about it, and it could have been covered up.
And you said the police state is out of control. Why do you say that?
I said in instances when it is out of control. I have called it the presumption of correctness and the monopoly of lethal deadly force by the state and the police state. That's what it is, and that's what we have to, I believe, call it. Now, that means that not every policeman or police person is out of control, and that means that not every policeman or police person acts in a rogue manner. But in the instances where they do, we've got a problem, and the problem, I believe, needs to be resolved through policy and legislation, and knowing, if I may finish, and knowing that it is a monopoly on the use of lethal deadly force and a monopoly of the presumption of correctness of the use of deadly force.
And on that point about the legal basis and what happens next, with regards to George Floyd's death, 4 police officers were fired for their roles in the incident. What needs to happen next legally, and are you confident of the steps that will ensue?
Well, let me say this. I'm a Florida lawyer and not a Minnesota lawyer. With that being said, it is likely that a grand jury will be paneled to evaluate the evidence, including the video that the citizen journalist, again, these are terms that I'm using and creating, the citizen journalist took with his or her cell phone to record the rogue act or the apparent rogue act. I believe that a grand jury will be paneled and they need to move forward quickly with that in terms of being able to bring charges against the 4 policemen who, according to the video, acted in a rogue manner, resulting in the death of the decedent, the innocent decedent.
Joseph Haynes Davis, criminal lawyer from Orlando, Florida, thank you so much for speaking to us on the News Hour.